There is one question that has interested the world for a long time now. How much money do you really need to be happy? Hi friends, if you are new here, my name is Larby, and on this channel we will learn about personal finance. We'll talk about the strategies and the tools that help us to live a wealthier life, but most importantly, a happier one. Today in this video, we will try to answer the question, how much money do you really need to be happy? There's a ton of research that was done on the subject that give us an understanding on whether money can buy happiness. Those studies shows that money can help you until a certain point when you reach your basic standard of living. So up to this point, money can buy happiness. When you have reached your standard of living, however, money doesn't help anymore. The truth is that it's different for all of us. One person can feel extremely happy with $70,000 a year, and another one can feel completely deprived. Personally, I believe that beyond the basics, everything else is optional. Most of the things that bring you happiness in life are very basic and free to access. I really believe that these are the pillars of our happiness. 1. Physical and mental health. 2. A home. 3. Quality food that you enjoy. 4. A bigger purpose. 5. Connection with others. 6. Go outside. I'm sure that you noticed something very interesting on this list. There's just a couple of things actually that cost a lot of money, but many people are obsessed with getting more and more stuff without knowing what they are really looking for. This is a great moment to talk about a really good story. This story is known as the story of the Mexican fisherman. The story is an American businessman was enjoying his holidays in a small Mexican village by the coast. He was relaxing on the beach when he saw a small boat coming to shore. Inside the boat was a fisherman that had caught several big fish. The businessman told the fisherman that he was really impressed and asked how long it took him to catch all those fish. The fisherman just replied, "Oh, just a short while." The businessman didn't really understand, so he asked for more information. "Why didn't you not stay longer to catch more fish?" he asked. The fisherman told him that was enough to feed his entire family. Then the businessman, surprised, asked, "Okay, but what do you do with the rest of the day ahead of you?" And the fisherman replied, "Well, I woke up early to catch a few fish in the morning. After I'm done fishing, I go home to play with my kids and take a siesta, a little nap, with my wife. We eat dinner and then we go in the village to see our friends. We drink, we sing, we dance, and we have the best time ever. I have to say, we have a wonderful life." The businessman wanted to help the fisherman, and he told him, "Well, listen, I'm an MBA and I can help you. You should start by staying longer every day and catching more fish. The extra fish you will sell into the village, and you can buy a bigger boat with that money. And then the bigger boat will make sure you'll catch more fish and will bring you more money. With that money, you can buy several boats, and in a couple of years, you will have a fleet of boats, and soon you'll be able to skip the middleman and sell directly to the plants. Eventually, you can open your own company, open your own production facility to can the fish, and you will have your own distribution network. Then, you would have moved out of this small village and moved to Mexico City, where you can set up headquarters." The fisherman asked, "But then what?" To which the businessman laughed and said, "This is the best part. You will live like a king. When the time is right, you will have your company public. Sell your shares and become very rich. You will make millions of dollars." "Millions?" asked the fisherman. "Okay, and then what?" The businessman said, "Then you can finally retire. You can move to a small village by the coast where you can fish a little, play with your kids, take your little nap with your wife, and eat dinner. Then you can go to the village to have a drink with all your friends. You can sing, you can drink, you can dance. You'll have the best time. You will have really a wonderful life." To which the fisherman responded, surprised, "Isn't that what I already have right now?" Here are a couple of lessons that I took from this story. Feel free to think about any other lessons and please share them with us in the comment section. But this is my own interpretation. 1. Stories are extremely powerful. Stories like this inspire and teach us about values. People remember stories and the lesson they bring. Every story can be understood in many different ways, meaning that everyone has their own lessons. 2. Stop impressing others. When you know what you want out of your life, you don't need to impress others to live a good life. One of my favorite quotes about money is, "Stop buying things you don't need to impress people you don't even like." 3. You already have so much. Be grateful for all the things that you already have in your life. The answer isn't always more or better or upgrade. 4. Stop postponing happiness. It's not fair to yourself to stop being happy. Enjoy the life you have now while you work towards your dream life. Build joy into your life right now. What about you? What is your main takeaway from the story of the Mexican fisherman? Please share this with us in the comment section down below. And if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. It will help the channel a lot. Thanks for watching. Peace.